Hello everybody, today I'm gonna unbox and review the most popular chef knife set from Saga. I will leave the Amazon website link in the description box and you will get a discount code too. So this is the user manual and the lifetime warranty card and a little bit about the brand history. And the main thing that you should be mindful while using these knives to avoid dishwashing the knives because it can damage the blades, and instead you can hand wash the knives thoroughly. So this is a complete set of knives which comes with 14 knives and one wooden block. This is a Japanese knife set upgraded in 2024. It's high carbon stainless steel knife set with a wooden knife block, which I'm gonna show you next. And it has handcrafted razor sharp edges, can be used with meat, bread, fruits and vegetables. This knife set includes 8 inches chef's knife, 7 inches santoku knife, 8 inches slicing knife, 8 inches bread knife, 5 inches utility knife, 3.5 inches paring knife, 6 pieces of 4.5 inches steak knife, kitchen shears and a sharpening steel. This is the angled wooden knife block, which is very convenient to store all the knives. This wooden block makes so easy to retrieve knives from under or upper cabinets. I'm gonna try using these different types of knives with some vegetables, fruits, bread and especially with meat. Look at this airways. These actually kind of let the knives slip smoothly and help slicing faster. And this is a full-size knife and the handle is really smooth and long-lasting. Looks super professional. So let's use these knives and feel the difference. So I'm already feeling the difference. I don't have to put on pressure and paper thin slices. I'm super excited to use these in my kitchen. And I have to say this, that I'm not a chef, but I'm a mom and the primary cook for my family. And I really love cooking. So this is a steak knife that I'm using with bread, but there is a bread knife separately with the set. I really apologize that I have made a mistake. So now let's use our knives with some fruits. And I really love the grip of these knives. It's a full tang handle, so comfortable. You can use the kitchen shears to cut poultry, snipping salads and herbs. And I can feel the difference when I'm slicing the meat. I used to use another type of knife set and it's like so hard to use it. And the coating of the knife blade is like fading off, but these knives are sharp and shiny because they use the high quality steel. So to be honest, this is the best knife set that I have ever used in my life. And if you're looking to upgrade your knives to a really good knife set, order from Saga. Definitely you're gonna love it.